New leaders joining your company are the accelerator to generating more opportunities. Here's why. New leaders bring new industry connections with them from past experience. And the best part is that LinkedIn Sales Navigator can help you discover and leverage these connections to secure more deals. So the next time a new leader joins your company, combine the connections of filter with the target account list to find that leader's LinkedIn connections that could be potential leads. At my old company, when Sarah, our new VP of sales, joined, I identified the decision makers she had their strongest connections to. Then I reached out to Sarah and she happily made warm introductions, landing me 2 meetings in her first week. Share a simple intro template with your leaders to make it easier for them to connect you with their contacts. By leveraging AI-driven insights from LinkedIn's data, you can reference your leads' recent activities or business goals. For Sarah's intros, I kept the message simple, highlighting how our offering aligns with their current priorities. The result? A response and a valuable new connection that opened up major doors for a major deal. So don't wait for leads to come to you. Use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to proactively uncover warm leads and reach out with messaging that resonates. It's all about working smarter and winning more deals.